fx is equal to this, which is equal to a over this, plus b over this, plus c over this. Find the values of the constants a, b and c. Hence, find the integral of f of x dx. Part 2, find the integral of f of x dx between 1 and 2, leaving your answer in the form a plus log b, where a and b are constants. So let's have a look at this then. I've got the question here in summary form. So let's have a look at part A then to find a, b and c. So here let's cross multiply. Multiply by the denominator rather. 1 is equal to a. And we multiply by the denominator on the first term. The x will cancel. And we get that. Plus b. And one of the 3x minus 1s will disappear with this term, won't it? When this is on top. So 3x minus 1 plus c, and both of the 3x minus 1s will cancel here just to leave x here. So that's what we've got then. So we can put x equals a third in, or x equals 0 in, can't we? So let's try x equals 0 first of all. So 1 is equal to, we get 1 here, 1 squared is 1 times a, so a equals 1. This is 0 and this is 0. So a is 1. Now we can put in x equals a third. And that should give us c then, shouldn't it? Because this one will be 0, and this part of the product here will be 0. So it just leaves c over 3. And that tells us what c is. Move the 3 up from divide to times. Write it down from right to left. c is 3. And then what can we try now? We can try the x squared terms if we wish. The x squared coefficients, there's 0 on this side. Here there's 9a coming out here, isn't there? And a is 1, so that's 9 times 1 is 9. And then here we've got 3bx squareds. And then there's no x squareds here. So that tells us what b is then. Minus 9 over 3. I've moved the 9 over. Once we've done that, we can move the 3 down. And 3 goes into 9 3 times, so it's minus 3. So b is equal to minus 3. So we've got that then. Find a, b and c. Hence find the integral of f of x dx. So part b. The integral of f of x dx is equal to, well, it will be the integral of a, which is 1, over, let's just look back and we've got x, plus b over the 3x minus 1, wasn't it? So let's just write that in. B would be minus 3. So that's minus 3 over 3x minus 1. And then c is 3, so it's plus 3 then, over 3x minus 1 squared dx. So let's integrate then. So here we've got ln x. Here this will be log of 3x minus 1, log of something. This differentiates to 1 over something multiplied by the something differentiated, which gives the 3, but doesn't give the minus, so we need the minus there. This is minus 2, so raise the power by 1. 3x to the minus 1 to the minus 1. Differentiate this in our mind's eye. The minus comes down. And we want a plus, so let's put a minus there for now. Minus, make a plus. This to the minus 2, multiplied by 3. There's something differentiated, which is what we wanted, plus k. So there's our answer then for B part 1. Okay, so part 2 then, find the integral in the form of a plus log mb. So the integral then, that was part 1. Part 2. So the integral between 1 and 2 of fx dx then will simply be the integral of this stuff here, ln. The x's we can combine here over 3x minus 1. Minus you divide top over bottom. Minus 1 over 3x minus 1, we can write that as this. And that needs to be evaluated between 2 and 1. So top value, put 2 in. 2 over 6 minus 1 is 5 log of 2/5. Minus, put 2 in here. 6 minus 1 is 5, is minus 1/5 is the top value then. Take away the bottom value, put 1 in here and 1 in here. 1 over 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's log of a half. Minus, and then put 1 in here, 3 ones minus 2 is 2 minus a half, isn't it? Close that bracket, close the square bracket. So what have we got then? We got log of 2/5 minus log of half. So that would be ln 2/5 over a half. So basically the 2 can come up then, up to the top with the fraction. So that's those two done. Minus 1/5. And this is plus a half. So that equals, so the number then, let's have a look what form we need to write it in. A plus log MB. 5 tenths minus 2 tenths is 3 tenths. And we've got here plus ln 4/5. So what form do we want it in? A plus log B, which is what we've got here.